American DPS Digital Phase Converter 20 HP review. Real proof it actually works. You bought a 3-phase machine, got it home, fired it up, and heard nothing because your shop only has single-phase power. You just stood there. That specific silence hits different. Type guilty if you have been in that exact spot, quietly staring at expensive equipment you technically cannot run yet. Sound like anyone you know a little too well right now? That suffocating feeling of watching a perfectly good motor sit idle because the power grid simply does not cooperate is genuinely maddening. You start pricing full 3-phase service installation and the number makes your stomach drop immediately. But what if control was actually simple? What if one compact digital box was the only thing standing between you and a fully running shop? Then I wired in the American DPS Digital Phase Converter 20 HP and everything got stupidly quiet in the best possible way. Don't just pick any phase converter. Make sure it has a sealed digital design with UL listing so you never feel that suffocating anxiety about electrical compliance, motor damage, or failed inspections ever again. Here are 6 superpowers hiding inside that compact box. First, the digital phase shifting creates a clean, precise third leg of power, so your motor starts smoothly every single time. Second, the sealed housing blocks dust, moisture, and heat, meaning it survives real shop environments without drama. Third, the low failure rate translates directly into fewer shutdowns and more productive hours. Fourth, no high-frequency generation means zero electrical interference with sensitive equipment nearby. Fifth, the 98% efficiency rating keeps your power bill honest. Sixth, simple wiring means most shop owners are up and running the same afternoon. It was 2:47 a.m., a fabrication deadline in 3 hours, and my compressor would not start until this converter was in line. Saved completely. Nobody talks about the gain switch setting that optimizes startup torque for high inertial loads. That one detail alone is worth bookmarking. Here is how the benefit chain actually runs in real life. You save hours avoiding complicated 3-phase service installations. That saved time becomes laser focus on actual production work. That focus compounds into doubled output, and those results are the kind that quietly shut down every excuse you had before. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily, and the proof is impossible to argue with. Electric Motor Wholesale, a recognized industrial electronics authority, stated directly that American DPS is considered one of the best and most reliable phase converter companies in North America, with low warranty claims and easy installation confirmed across their own shop use. A verified customer named D. Shepard wrote that his planer runs like a dream, and he cannot even tell it is running on converted power. One shop owner noted the clean digital output passed inspections immediately because of the UL listing, file number 2328605. I personally watched a 15-horsepower rotary screw compressor fire up on the first attempt, with smooth, steady acceleration and zero hesitation. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for clean power output, 2 for ease of installation, 3 for UL compliance confidence. Now, here is the objection I hear constantly. People say it is too expensive compared to a basic rotary converter. Here is the devastating counter. Rotary converters have moving parts, generate noise, consume more power, and fail more frequently. The American DPS Digital Phase Converter 20 HP has no moving parts, runs at 98% efficiency, and carries a 2-year warranty. The math is not even close. Drop your shop size below because I want to know what you are running. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire shop without calling an electrician twice. The American DPS Digital Phase Converter 20 HP turns single-phase limitation into clean, reliable 3-phase capability without complexity, noise, or compliance headaches. That is the core transformation, and it happens the same afternoon you wire it in. First link in the description. I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. Your equipment has been waiting long enough. Go run it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.